Hello everyone, welcome to this series on the history of English literature. And in this video, we are going to discuss the naturalists and travelers in the modern age. Introduction. The modern age, encompassing the late 19th and early 20th centuries, was a period of significant transformation in English and Irish literature. Amidst the rapid industrialization and urbanization of society, a parallel literary movement emerged that celebrated nature, rural life, and the spirit of exploration. This movement was characterized by the works of naturalists and travelers who provided vivid, insightful portrayals of the countryside, village life, and distant lands. Prominent figures such as W.H. Hudson, John Richard Jefferies, George Bourne or George Stutt, C.M. Doughty, R.B. Cunningham Graham, M.W. Pickthall, Norman Douglas, H.M. Tomlinson, and Edward Whymper played pivotal roles in shaping this literary landscape. Their contributions not only enriched the literary tapestry of the modern age, but also offered readers a deeper appreciation of the natural world and the diverse cultures they encountered. Prominent naturalists. W.H. Hudson, 1841 to 1922. W.H. Hudson was a distinguished naturalist and writer whose keen observations of wildlife and nature significantly influenced English literature. His profound love for the natural world is evident in his essays and novels, where he meticulously described flora and fauna with both scientific accuracy and poetic flair. Hudson's ability to intertwine factual knowledge with literary elegance made his work accessible and engaging, fostering a deeper appreciation for nature among his readers. John Richard Jefferies, 1848 to 1887. John Richard Jefferies, a naturalist and writer, was renowned for his vivid and often elaborate prose that captured the essence of rural life and the intricate behaviors of animals. His keen eye for detail and genuine sympathy for his subjects allowed him to portray the countryside with both beauty and authenticity. Among his notable works are The Gamekeeper at Home, 1878, and Wildlife in Southern County, 1879, which showcase his ability to blend narrative storytelling with natural observation, creating immersive and compelling depictions of the natural world. George Bourne or George Stutt, 1863 to 1927. George Bourne, better known for his pseudonym George Stutt, was a writer who focused on the pastoral and idyllic aspects of village life before the advent of mass production and modern communications. His works such as Change in the Village 1912 and The Wheelwright's Shop 1923 evoke a nostalgic longing for a simpler, more connected existence. Stutt's writings are celebrated for their evocative descriptions and their ability to transport readers to a bygone era, highlighting the profound changes wrought by industrialization and technological advancement. Literature of Travel and Exploration. C.M. Doughty, 1843 to 1926. C.M. Doughty was a prominent travel writer whose seminal work, Travels in Arabia Deserta, 1888, stands as a testament to his adventurous spirit and keen observational skills. This extensive travelogue provides a detailed account of his journeys through the Arabian Peninsula, offering readers a glimpse into the cultures, landscapes, and challenges of desert exploration. Doughty's meticulous documentation and engaging narrative style made his work a cornerstone of travel literature, inspiring future generations of explorers and writers. R.B. Cunningham Graham, 1852 to 1936. R.B. Cunningham Graham was a versatile writer whose travels spanned South America, the Near and Far East, and Mexico. His works included Mogharb el-Aqsa, 1898, and The Epain, 1899, reflect his extensive exploration and deep understanding of diverse cultures. Cunningham Graham's writings are notable for their rich descriptions and insightful commentary, capturing the essence of the places he visited and the people he encountered. His ability to weave personal experiences with broader cultural observations made his travel narratives both informative and captivating. M. W. Pickthall, 1875 to 1936. M. W. Pickthall was an influential figure in travel literature, particularly known for his works set in the East. Side the Fisherman, 1903, and Oriental Encounters, Palestine and Syria, 1918, are exemplary of his ability to blend biographical elements with engaging storytelling. Pickthall's writings offer readers a nuanced perspective on Eastern cultures, emphasizing both their beauty and complexity. His work serves as a bridge between Western and Eastern literary traditions, fostering greater understanding and appreciation of diverse cultural landscapes. Norman Douglas, 1868 to 1953. Norman Douglas was a distinguished writer whose numerous books on Mediterranean lands have left a lasting legacy in travel literature. Siren Land, 1911, Fountain in the Sand, 1912, and Old Calabria, 1915, are among his most celebrated works. Douglas's writings are characterized by their lyrical prose and deep affection for the regions he explored. His evocative descriptions and personal reflections provide a rich tapestry of the Mediterranean's natural beauty and cultural vibrancy, offering readers an intimate connection with these enchanting locales. H. M. Tomlinson, 1873 to 1958. H. M. Tomlinson's contributions to travel literature are marked by his explorations of diverse environments and his ability to capture their unique essence. The Sea and the Jungle, 1912, and Old Junk, 1918, are notable examples of his work, where he delves into the complexities of maritime and rural life. Tomlinson's writings are celebrated for their meticulous detail and insightful observations, providing a comprehensive and engaging portrayal of the landscapes and communities he encountered. Edward Whymper, 1840 to 1911. Edward Whymper was a renowned mountaineer and writer whose adventurous spirit is vividly captured in his travel narratives. Scrambles Among the Alps, 1870, and Travels Among the Great Andes of the Equator, 1892, are key works that document his expeditions and the challenges of high-altitude exploration. Whymper's first-hand experiences and technical expertise lend authenticity and excitement to his accounts, making his writings a valuable resource for both aspiring mountaineers and travel enthusiasts. Thematic and stylistic contributions. The naturalists and travelers of the modern age brought a unique blend of observation, empathy, and narrative flair to their works. John Richard Jefferies, for instance, combined over-elaborate prose with genuine sympathy for his subjects, creating colorful and insightful portrayals of rural life and animal behavior. Similarly, George Bond's nostalgic reflections on village life before industrialization highlighted the loss of traditional crafts and community bonds, offering a poignant critique of modern progress. Travel writers like C. M. Doughty and R. B. Cunningham Graham enriched literature with their vivid descriptions and deep cultural insights, fostering a greater appreciation for diverse landscapes and peoples. Their works not only entertained but also educated readers about the complexities and beauties of wider world. M. W. Pickthall and Norman Douglas, through their evocative narratives, bridged cultural divides and promoted cross-cultural understanding, emphasizing the shared humanity that transcends geographical boundaries. Conclusion. The modern age was a fertile period for naturalists and travelers whose literary contributions provided a counterbalance to the era's rapid industrialization and urbanization. Through their detailed observations, empathetic portrayals, and vivid narratives, figures like W. H. Hudson, John Richard Jeffries, George Bourne, C. M. Doughty, R. B. Cunningham Graham, M. W. Pickthall, Norman Douglas, H. M. Tomlinson, and Edward Whymper enriched English and Irish literature with their unique perspectives on nature, rural life, and distant lands. Their works not only offered readers a window into diverse environments and cultures, but also fostered a deeper appreciation for the natural world and the enduring human spirit. The legacy of these naturalists and travelers continues to resonate in contemporary literature, inspiring writers to explore and celebrate the beauty, complexity, and diversity of our world. So this was the discussion on the naturalists and travelers of the modern age. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.